channel, share some videos. Remember, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. And oh my gosh, there's mangoes flying everywhere. I want to take some. Oh my god, I got a mango. I just got one. Since there's unlimited mangoes over here, why don't we make a few mango recipes? It's gonna be so good. And these recipes are good because they have mango in them. And mangoes are really good for you. Mangoes are good for you because they are low in calories and they're high in fiber. And also they have the vitamins A, C, E, and zinc, which are really good for you. Mangoes are called king of the fruit in India, and they can help you fight cancer. That's so amazing what this little fruit can do. So I'm going to be making one recipe in this video. I'm going to be making a mango mousse recipe at home. I'm making mango mousse, and what mango mousse basically is, it's a light, airy, fluffy, really tasty dessert, and you can eat it anytime. I personally like to eat it just for a snack, and it's basically like a whipped dessert, but in this case, it's a mango whipped dessert. There's also chocolate mousse, which I may make in a future video, hint, hint. And yeah. So the ingredients you will need are about 1 cup of mango puree that we're gonna make out of this mango, 50 milliliters of condensed milk, or you can use sugar depending on your taste, and 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. And the supplies you'll need are a bowl, a hand mixer, a spoon and a fork, a spatula, a knife for cutting the mango, a measuring cup, and a blender. So the first step is you need to cut some mangoes, and I'm going to put it in this bowl. It's better to use sweet mangoes for this to get the best result. I'm putting the mango into the blender, all of it, and now I'm going to put the lid on, and I am going to blend it. So my mango puree is done, but we're not going to mix it yet. So we need to leave it aside, and now we're going to make the whipped part of the dessert. So now we're going to add condensed milk and then blend it again. Done blending everything, and it's now frothy. So I'm going to add 1 cup of this mango puree, and I'm just going to add it in. And you need a spatula just to fold it in. Don't beat it aggressively, otherwise the foaminess will go away. So I kept on folding it in, and this is how it looks like. So this is basically complete, but I saved some extra of the whipped cream, and I am going to add all of this into a cup and add this on top. So I'm done adding everything, and now you need to put it into the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. It looks so delicious. So I'm going to try it on camera. Okay, let me just take a bite. Ooh, you can see. I'm gonna have some. Oh my god, this is so tasty. It tastes so good, and I love mangoes, so like this is the best way to eat them. And it's not over sugar or anything. It's like it's the perfect thing to eat for an evening snack or something. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button down below. And remember, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below to turn it gray and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. So, thanks for watching and bye guys. See you in the next video.